it's very hard work on homecoming, and I'm so happy to be back here where I first lived 30 years ago. Katulad na mga kapamilya natin ng mga kababayan natin, and California, and gateway natin to the US of A. Yes!
Well, it's definitely one big Cali party. Dahil ipagdiriwang natin ang birthday na nag-iisang Pogi the Pogi Alcantara. It feels great to be 32. Mapapahataw tayo lahat sa birthday special naman ni Mr. Pure Energy.
I can't wait to give it to you later. And this celebration will be complete with our one and only Bamboo!
Happy birthday, TFC.
Yes, we all love TFC and all of you. Are you ready to have a good time? Are you ready to have a good time? This is a grand celebration of the 30th anniversary of TFC, the Filipino channel. Now TFC is always at home with you, and this is our way to thank all of you for staying home with us for the past 3 decades. Maraming salamat. California, we are just getting started. A very extra special Thanksgiving celebration. May isang mga kasama tayo na for sure. Hindi mo mag-prepare sa nasa stage. Kumanda na sa nag-iisang pambansang sweetheart ng Pilipinas. May Purple Asian School for Media Superstar!